Very good morning to everyone present here for this wonderful occasion of Teachers' Day celebration. I am Nandini, currently pursuing my first year civil in CK College of Engineering and Technology. First of all, I would like to thank you all for giving me such a great opportunity today to show my gratitude towards of our dear teachers. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright of all of us. Let us welcome all the teachers with big round of applause. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all of our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. Teachers' Day is a day filled with lot of excitement, joy and happiness as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why they are special to them. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Shervapalli Radhakrishnan and the Teachers' Day celebrated in the commemoration of his birthday. He is popular as a professor rather than holding position such as the second president of India and the first vice president of India. The fact behind celebrating Teachers' Day on September 5th when students approached Radhakrishnan to celebrate his birthday, he replied that instead of celebrating my personal birthday, it is a better if you dedicate that the day to tribute the whole teaching profession. And September 5 was celebrated to pay honor to teachers for their efforts in shaping students. Dr. Shavapalli Radhakrishnan was great scholar and an excellent teacher. Teachers' Day across globe is officially celebrated on October 5, but in India we will celebrate Teachers' Day on September 5 to honor Dr. Shervapalli Radhakrishnan. Students across the country celebrate this day to pay respect and thank their teachers. This is an opportunity to pay tribute to our teachers for their selfless effort. We should show the gratitude to our teachers who never consider us less than their own children while teaching and guiding. Teachers have always been a guide and inspiration at every stage of the student's life. No one has attained success without the guidance of the teacher. Hence, it is our duty to pay regard and gratitude to our teacher of their contribution. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They spearhead change by shaping and building students' personality and make them ideal citizens of our country. As one looks at the great impact on the growth, development, and well being of the students and nation, one must agree that teaching is a noble profession. I am saying in my heart that teachers are greater than the parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teachers mold them the child personality and provide a bright future. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate, and inspire to become a better people. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the ideas and thoughts that one day each one of us will use to provide back into its society. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. I would like to share a short quote which is the most powerful to every one of us. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others, and that's a very true to everyone's life. Happy Teachers' Day. Again, and thank you for all the hours you spend, attention you give, needs that you tend, knowledge you pass on, your special touch, offering guidance untainted by much, time you spend planning, efforts you make for us, angles to learning, chances you take. Here to our teachers, each on a gem, recognized now, and we salute them. Thank you all.